Are you also open to work with other chip makers and integrate with the wider range of AI software, or you are going to focus more on NVIDIA?
Well, we focus on NVIDIA because NVIDIA has been 90+% of the market, right? That's where all the action is, and that's where most of the innovation has been, right? So we focused on that, but we haven't been, ultimately, we focus on the industry and our customers. Because NVIDIA doesn't pay our bills, our customers do, right? So we need to make our customers successful. As we're seeing our customers expand their GPU reach and all that, we've been already partnering with AMD, and you have seen some of the announcements. If you go to AMD website, they see that we're supporting wide range of their chipsets with k0rdent. There have been an announcement with Supermicro that we've been validated on their AMD chips, and we're working on some go-to-market arrangements that way.